Hi, I'm attorney Ethan Welch, and welcome to Special Needs Insights. Today we're talking about long-term care planning, how to have that conversation, and what you need to be mindful of when you are planning for retirement while also having an adult child with a disability. Planning for retirement when you have an adult disabled child is a lot different than when you don't have this adult disabled child, because you're essentially planning for this adult child's retirement as well after you pass away. You know, what you need to be mindful of is you need to have a good estate plan and the right vehicles in place, like a special needs trust or a wholly discretionary trust in place for your adult disabled child when you're gone. The other thing that you need to consider is when you are gone, who is going to take care of the adult disabled child? You need to have this conversation with your family members. Number one, so they know that there's a plan in place. And number two, it just makes it so much easier to take care of the adult disabled child when you are gone. You know, there is a plan in place. This is what you're supposed to do. And this is what you think the plan should be and how the adult disabled child should carry on. The other thing that you need to consider is, does the adult disabled child need a guardianship? And that's determined when you have a conversation with a special needs attorney to determine, does a power of attorney need to be put in place, or does the child need a guardianship? So that's all determined on a case-by-case basis. If there is a guardianship that needs to be put in place, we can help you go through that process with the court, and you can have a plan in place so that when you're gone, the next person in line, maybe a sibling, maybe another family member, will be ready to go to be the successor guardian to that disabled child. The other thing that you need to consider when you are speaking with your family about your adult child when you pass away is, where is this disabled child going to live? That's the kind of things that you need to be putting in place now or think about. That way there is a plan in place. Maybe there is a group home that you like. Maybe a family member will take this adult child in. You doing that legwork now just relieves stress for you, but also relieves stress for your family members too down the road. All in all, I mean, it all depends on your family dynamic. Maybe this will be an easy conversation for you to have with your family, maybe not. But when it's all said and done, this is a conversation that needs to be had. And, we at Hickman and Louder can help you through those conversations. And it will only relieve stress for you and your family members, especially when you pass away and that someone's ready to go to take care of your adult disabled child. Thanks for tuning in. Managing big change starts with a little conversation. Give us a call. We're ready to listen.